Today we're walking between two DLR stations, Cutty Sark and Island Gardens. Now, in a normal sort of a walk we'd have things to look at. Look, a patch of grass. Look, a tree. Not today though. These two stations are on opposite banks of the Thames, and we have to find a way across. Luckily, there's a tunnel. The Greenwich Foot Tunnel crosses underneath the River Thames, linking Greenwich with the Isle of Dogs. Its creation owed much to the efforts of politician Will Crookes. He'd worked in the docks and later served as Labour MP for Woolwich. The tunnel was designed by civil engineer Sir Alexander Binney, and the project started in June 1899 and the tunnel opened on the 4th of August 1902. The tunnel replaced a particularly unreliable ferry service. The entrance shafts at both ends are beneath glazed domes. Lifts were installed in 1904 and sometimes they even work. But when they don't, you can walk down the 100 steps at the Cutty Sark end to reach the tunnel. During the Second World War, the Isle of Dogs end was damaged by a bomb. Repairs included a thick steel and concrete inner lining. Island Gardens is a public park located beside the northern entrance to the tunnel. It was opened on the Isle of Dogs in 1895, also by politician Will Crookes. Beside the gardens there was originally a station called North Greenwich. This was the terminus of the London and Blackwall Railway. It opened in July 1872 and closed to passengers in May 1926. Most of the Docklands Light Railway south of South Quay Station utilises the old route of the London and Blackwall Railway. Indeed, the original Island Gardens DLR station was built on the northern end of the original North Greenwich station, when this opened in 1987. But when the DLR was extended to Lewisham in the 1990s, a new Island Gardens DLR station was built on the opposite side of Manchester Road. The former site of North Greenwich station was demolished and replaced by a block of flats.